How to make money with FlexJobs. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can make money with FlexJobs, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to make money with FlexJobs, all you have to do is, let's say FlexJobs is, if you don't know what FlexJobs is, first of all, it's a freelancing platform that offers work from home opportunities in a variety of roles, including bookkeeper, copywriter, graphic designer, customer service or executive assistant, data entry, transcription, tutoring, account management. FlexJob is free to join and has many reviews that can help you understand how companies hire freelancers through the website. And basically, if you want to make money on FlexJob, just apply for a job. That's simply it. Apply for a job, get the job, get the work done, and get paid. That's simply it. Just search for the jobs near and based on what your niche and your skills are all about. So figure out your skills and then apply for the job. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.